Shiba, the new meme coin, has the potential to make you wealthy in the short term. Yes, you heard me correctly. Your chances of becoming wealthy are much increased while using this coin because the current news is huge. It's speculated that the coin may reach as high as $1 soon. So watch the video till the end and let us know what you think of this new coin, which is currently ranked 31st among the 7,000 digital forms of money in the blink of an eye, despite the fact that it is anything but a toddler for the time being. According to reports, Shiba will soon reach a price of 50 cents. Please like and subscribe to our channel before we proceed with the video to show your support. Starting with the video, we all know that the cryptocurrency market might resemble a puppy manufacturing machine in terms of releasing new coins that generate a lot of initial energy. For instance, we should talk about Shiba Inu. The digital cash token is named after the canine breed, which is also the mascot of another well-known advanced currency, Dogecoin, a crypto asset that began as a joke but has since become popular among the meme crowd. While it isn't quite a year old, Shiba Inu has a market valuation of more than $3.8 billion as of early June 2021, making it the 31st most valuable digital currency by market capitalization according to CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu is a little dog in another sense. The value of each token is $0.00000967. This attracts new cryptographic cash monetary investors, especially when established options like Bitcoin cost more than $38,000 for a single token even after the recent drop. So investing while a coin is cheap but has a lot of potential is the way to keep a lot of money close to hand for the time being. Shiba is one of them, according to the specialists. Leaving something alone lets me realize that just because something is noteworthy doesn't mean it's a valid idea. As a result, experts advise conducting extensive research before investing in the advanced cash market or considering bringing in large sums of money. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that runs on the Ethereum network. Ryoshi, the coin's anonymous creator and founder, describes the project as a preliminary and decentralized, unrestricted neighborhood. While there is no limit to the amount of Dogecoin units that may be created, there is a limit to the number of Shiba Inu units that can be created, which is 1 quadrillion. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have gained popularity as monetary supporters consider their obvious benefits on the internet and elsewhere in the public realm. The Shiba Inu Whitepaper, dubbed Wolfpaper by its designers, lists heads of international conversation rooms, electronic media influencers, and photographers as part of the neighborhood Shiba Inu's growing. Until it becomes acknowledged as a method for exchanging value for labor and goods, a crypto's worth is mostly a result of its online media hype, and Shiba is currently a top 10 crypto, says Eric Berman, Senior Legal Director of US Cash at Thomson Reuters Practical Law. Those anticipating the appearance of the breakout coin are encouraged to join Reddit and Twitter and track the hashes, which is another way Shiba can make you wealthy in the short run. In addition to the exposure from influencers, Shiba Inu's appeal stems from a desire of automated advertising money and the dread of missing out on an extraordinary opportunity from those who weren't essential for the Dogecoin push for unfathomable riches. According to our resources, the constantly expanding impact of Dogecoin's rising cost has aided other picture tokens such as Shiba Inu, allowing for temporary increases, according to Murray Tatibue, Gate Technologies' top marketing official. Another advantage could be philosophical. Many perceive meme tokens such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as jokes, Tatibue says. However, it has likely gone as an underlying advance for some crypto novices who are presumably going to deposit assets into various ventures. As a result, the more broad crypto market is likely going to experience greater turn of events and premium at some point. Because of the Shiba Inu's low value, monetary bettors can get in for the price of a simple snack. Shiba Inu is a low-cost alternative for those that need to compete with cryptographic forms of money. In light of this, if the current pricing of Shiba is $0.00000967, I assume that there are a lot of zeros. Thus, if you contribute $1 today, you will receive 103,412.6 tokens, a total amount of tokens we arrived with. And regardless of whether the Shiba coin drops to about $1 per coin, that's an incredible $100,000 in your pocket. I mean, a dollar of speculation can resemble $10,000 in value. Then we'll imagine you put down $100, which is a substantial sum of money, and you become an overnight billionaire with a staggering $1 million or $1 billion in your bank in one evening. Elon Musk has demonstrated a strong interest in meme coins and has been advocating Dogecoin for quite some time. Shiba Inu coins have seen a lot of growth in the recent years. Shiba received additional attention after Elon Musk's interview with Saturday Night Live, in which he referred to Dogecoin as a hustle. Thus, His remark, which caused the value of Dogecoin to tumble by 30%, meant that the Shiba Inu coin gained from the elective's collapse. Binance listed Shiba Inu currency on its exchanging stage 2 days after Musk's arrival, and the cost skyrocketed. So, what exactly is a Shiba Inu coin and how did it get so much traction? The token, dubbed the Dogecoin Executioner by Fortune and others, was released not quite a year ago and is named after the Japanese dog breed Shiba Inu. The digital money trades under the symbol SHIB and is a Dogecoin alternative. According to CoinMarketCap.com, Shiba Inu coin has risen to the 32nd most valuable digital currency by market capitalization. It has gained widespread attention after a crypto millionaire donated $1 billion in Shiba Inu currency to aid India's COVID-19 relief. Then, as Insider reported, a $8,000 investment in Shiba Inu coin by a New York family allegedly resulted in a $9 million fortune for them in just a few months. According to CoinMarketCap.com, the current price of SHIB is $0.000007695, yet it has a market worth of over $3 billion. These may appear to be some irrational assumptions, but once we recognize that cryptographic forms of money are incredibly unpredictable, we can expect anything. They can rise in a flash and fall in seconds, as seen recently in the crypto market. According to experts and investigators, Shiba can be a good overnight cash creator, but each digital currency comes with its own set of risks that must be taken without hesitation. The world of digital currencies is based on avoiding dangers and breaking out of your shell in order to bring in money or achieve the goals you've set for yourself. Consider that advanced forms of money are a risky asset class. Within that investment vehicle, hypothetical altcoins such as Shiba Inu will pose a greater risk because it's new and has some form of promotion. Normally, publicity isn't what tells us if a coin will be successful or not, but who can say for sure what will happen as time passes? It's simply worth looking for a financial backer with a high risk tolerance. So it requires passion and solidarity to be invested in, and the rest is up to fate. In some ways, Shiba can be a fantastic investment for an overnight success, especially if you're fortunate enough to be able to capitalize on its popularity. It, however, has high chances to sooner or later hit that $1 mark, and when it does, you are gonna be blown up by the results. That was all from our side. Ensure you support us by buying into the channel and enjoying the video. We will be back with another video sooner than soon. Stay tuned with us.